D-VXR-OE-01 Dell VxRail Operate V2 exam details and real questions are available in the video for you to study. The D-VXR-OE-01 exam is priced at $230 and has a duration of 120 minutes. It consists of 48 questions, with a required passing score of 63%. The exam is available in English and can be scheduled through Pearson View. The D-VXR-OE-01 exam covers various aspects of VxRail operations, including its fundamental building blocks and overall management. Candidates are also tested on their ability to perform cluster expansion and contraction, as well as maintenance and troubleshooting tasks. Additionally, the exam evaluates knowledge of other administrative tasks and the use of the VxRail Appliance REST API. How do you perform cluster resource expansion in a VxRail environment? A. By adding more RAM to the existing nodes. B. By integrating additional VxRail nodes into the cluster. C. By applying software updates to increase efficiency. D. By reconfiguring existing virtual machines to use less resources. The correct answer is B. What is the benefit of using the VxRail plugin for vCenter for administrators? A. It reduces the need for physical server access. B. It automates all patch management processes. C. It centralizes management of multiple VxRail clusters. D. It simplifies network configuration management. The correct answer is C. Describe the process to manage passwords in a VxRail environment. A. Passwords are managed through a centralized Dell EMC service. B. Administrators can reset passwords using the VxRail Manager interface. C. Password policies are enforced through vCenter Server. D. All passwords are synchronized with Active Directory. The correct answer is B. What does managing the VxRail vSAN cluster availability involve? A. Ensuring there is no single point of failure in the storage configuration. B. Regularly testing the backup and recovery processes. C. Maintaining a constant power supply to the servers. D. Keeping all firmware on the nodes up to date. The correct answer is A. How is a VxRail node removed from a cluster? A. By physically unplugging the node from the network. B. Using VxRail Manager's decommissioning process. C. Through a simple drag-and-drop interface in vCenter. D. By shutting down the node and manually erasing its data. The correct answer is B. Which task would you use the VxRail API to perform? A. Check the real-time network traffic statistics. B. Automatically expand the storage capacity. C. Retrieve system logs for analysis. D. Integrate with a third-party monitoring tool. The correct answer is C. What is involved in managing a stretched VxRail cluster? A. Configuring synchronous replication between sites. B. Implementing strict access controls. C. Regularly updating firewall settings. D. Managing distributed file systems. The correct answer is A. What primary role does the VxRail Manager certificate play in a VxRail environment? A. It manages the encryption of stored data. B. It authenticates and secures communications between cluster nodes. C. It schedules regular system audits and compliance checks. D. It provides a user interface for system configuration. The correct answer is B. How do you perform a VxRail software upgrade? A. By downloading the update to a USB and manually installing on each node. B. Through an automated process managed by VxRail Manager. C. By requesting Dell EMC to remotely install the update. D. Installing update packages directly through VMware vCenter. The correct answer is B. What is the significance of vSAN HCI mesh in a multi-cluster VxRail environment? A. It optimizes data placement across different geographies. B. It allows sharing of storage resources between different VxRail clusters. C. It creates separate storage clusters for disaster recovery. D. It provides additional virtual networking across clusters. The correct answer is B.